In this video, I'll be showing you how to enter a customer return. This is done under ORD, Order RMAs. Here we'll go ahead and hit F9 to find our order number. Once we've selected our order number, we're going to go ahead and tab on through. Now we're going to do an issue type of credit, but we could also do an exchange type if we wanted to. Going to go ahead and tab through this. I'm not adding a restocking fee or freight charges, so I'm going to go ahead and tab on through. I'm going to go all the way over to my ship via, which is going to be left at best, and then I'm going to leave the ship to at 6. Okay, once we've got our information up top correct, we're going to go ahead and click down to our line item level, and then we're going to go ahead and hit F9 to find the item that we're returning. I'm going to go ahead and select our item. We're going to put in our quantity being returned. In this case, it's returning to warehouse 2. I'm going to go ahead and hit F9 to find our return reason. In this case, we're just going to select return. Once we have our line item information entered correctly, we can go ahead and click our little clipboard here up top, which is going to generate our actual RMA report to send to the customer. That way they have their RMA number should they need to call and inquire about anything. We're going to go ahead and save this now. To process this RMA, we're going to go ahead and go over to Query RMA. Now we're going to go ahead and type in our RMA number, which is 534. Now here we have another chance to add a restocking fee or a freight charge, but we're not going to do that. We're going to skip through here. We're going to tab through the date received to populate today. The actual return quantity is going to be 1. We are not doing a vendor RMA for this, and we are going to go ahead and credit them the full 1. Once we've entered this information, we can go ahead and click our lightning bolt to process this receipt. We've now successfully processed the receipt of the RMA, and we've generated an unprocessed credit memo. To process this credit memo, we're going to go under AR, Transaction Processing, Process AR Transactions. Here we'll go ahead and click the Process AR Transactions button. It'll give us a pre-processing report showing us our credit memo, and we're going to go ahead and say, yes, this is okay to process. And now we've successfully generated our credit memo and received our return.